Yeah, we were here at Assateague looking at the waves. It's currently 1856, April 1st. And I gotta say, I got rich today. April Fools.
Hey, look, you're like, April Fool's. No fucking energy.
He looks like a freaking security guy. Like, hello?
AJ.
And I got
Yeah. They investigate? No, not investigate. Security
barber.
guard.
Yeah. Well, yeah. Okay.
Upcoming barber.
Boy, you don't forgot about your story.
I got a new pendant today. Yeah. And it was $20. I mean, you can't get mad at it. So, you know.
It's like he's preaching or something.
Yeah.
Oh my god, you know the Hispanic was? Stuff was like, Kioiko. I'm like,
Wait, oh, I know what I'm gonna do. Hold on, where's that voice memo thing?
At least I'm focused on the
Hold
camera.
on. Espérense. Oh, wait.
look at me.
At least
Hold
I'm
on, I
focused.
got you. Hello guys, we're here reporting ourselves from Assateague Island. How are you feeling today? How are you feeling today, Daniel?
Yeah.
Alright guys, and Liz is our vlogger today. Our reporter? No, I'm the reporter. He's our recorder.
What?
The reporter.
You got bars.
But you said bars.
Bark. Never mind. Anyways, supposedly we're on tornado watch, but here we are.
Tornado watch. Nice. Clear.
You don't see the clouds over there?
Wait, say your
There was
thing,
a tornado
say your
right
thing.
there.
When you hear thunder, you're
Currently,
With the
there's a tornado active right now in Sussex County in Delaware.
That's all.
I'm pretty sure it's gone by now.
Oh my god, I can't really hear this.
Yeah.
Let's see. I'm gonna hear this.
Hello
Guys, we're here reporting ourselves.
You gotta send me that audio file.
How you feeling today? How you feeling today, Daniel? Yeah. Reporter, he's our recorder. Roar. Oh my god. Anyways, supposedly we're on tornado watch, but here we are. Just a good. Oh, these are cute. I have two more I didn't know I had. Oh well.
It actually looks no,
What happened?
no. It actually looks like this, like with the sun hidden, and I got this filter. It makes it like really soft, like the light soft. So look.
Lewis, look up.
Gotcha.
Your pen is shining. Get in the sun.
She said it don't wash off with water.
Well, what are
and
soap? Don't wash off.